welcome friends. Visit my website cryptocandle.co for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency related news and price prediction, etc. So in this video I am going to show you how you can find your trading history on Binance. So first of all, when you log into your account, now here this is for desktop. So for mobile app this method is different. So when you first log into your account on desktop, here you have to click this option in below the order section, spot orders. After clicking on these options, you will see this window. So here you have to choose order history, trade history, right? So after clicking on trade history, you will see all the trading history. This is the trading history. You can see this is all my trading history between these dates. You can set a date here, trading history date. So from here you can choose the trading history duration, and here you can filter by, let's say, I want to search for ADA. Now it will do only ADA trades, right? ADA, and then you have to click which pair, let's say USDT, ADA USDT, right? And then side which type of order history you want. So I want, let's say, buy history. Then I will click search. Now you can see here, this is my order trading history, buying trading history in this decoration. Similarly, you can find another kind, and if you want to just see all the history of all kinds, then you can click here, visit. And then again search. Let's say I want to extend this history. Here January, right, and here February. So I choose this duration, and when you choose duration, then you can also download this history or export this history into a CVS file or Excel file. So I click on download. Now after click on export, you will see this option. Let's say I want to download or export last 3 months. Export. Now this history has been exported into my local computer. You can just see this history here. Now this is all the trading history. Here you can see all my trading history, right? So thanks for watching this video, and visit my website cryptocandle.co for more crypto updates.